Here is the most ironic thing about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The moment it launched, lots of people were calling out Samsung for copying the iPhone's design. But after testing this device, I actually think the S25 Ultra is the closest Samsung has come to convincing me to ditch my iPhone. The 6.9-inch display on the latest Ultra is brighter, the cameras are more versatile and arguably just better. And the S25 Ultra is packed with smarter AI features I wish the iPhone 16 Pro Max had, like the ability to perform multiple actions at once across apps using just your voice. And it's all wrapped up in a design that, while phone-like, is lighter than its main rival. Samsung did cut some corners with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The S Pen no longer has Bluetooth, and the newly added QI2 charging support forces you to buy a compatible case. No magnets here, but overall the performance, battery life, and AI smarts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra add up to the best Android phone I have tested and possibly the best phone period. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has a release date of February 7 and it still starts at the same inducing starting price of $1,299 for 256GB of storage. You can upgrade to 512GB for $1,419 or 1TB for $1,659, but while pre-orders are still happening, you can get 512GB for the same price as 256GB and 1TB for usual 512GB price. Samsung is also offering up to $1,200 off, which includes up to $900 in instant trade-in credits and up to $300 in Samsung credits. The Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't offer much in the way of camera hardware changes. The key upgrade involves the ultra-wide sensor, which gets a boost from 12MP on the S24 Ultra to 50MP. This means better detail in your shots as well as the promise of sharper macro photos. Otherwise, you get the same 200MP main sensor, 50MP 5x telephoto, 10MP 3x telephoto, and 12MP front shooter found on Samsung's previous Ultra model. Here are some camera samples of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Sure, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is an iterative update, but Samsung has made big improvements where it matters most, including introducing AI features that will save you time and make your life easier. The ability to perform actions across multiple apps at once using your voice has the potential to change how we interact with our phones forever. But it's clear that Samsung needs to add more partners, both for this AI agent feature and for things like Now Bar. I am less impressed with the Now Brief, and I wish Samsung had included QI2 magnets in the phone itself so you didn't have to buy a case to connect to magnetic accessories. But overall, I really like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Its AI smarts, vivid display, mostly top-notch cameras, super smooth performance and long battery life add up to a very impressive flagship, so impressive that I am tempted to switch to Android myself. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.